In this video, we are going to review the new RxVantage Event Boost product. As you are likely aware, it's more important than ever for providers to stay up to date on the latest treatments and therapies. Peer-led speaker programs and other events play an important role in providing this knowledge. However, promoting, finding, and RSVPing to these types of events can be challenging and cumbersome. RxVantage Event Boost works to make this process easier for everyone involved. To start using the new RxVantage Event Boost product, first you'll need to log into your new Event Coordinator account. After doing so, you'll be taken directly to the event landing page. Think of this as your home base for all things events. From here, you can create new events or make modifications to existing ones. And on the top right-hand side of this page, you can click the Create Event button. And from here, you'll be able to start the process of building out and creating your first event. For the purposes of this demo, I'm going to click into an event that I've already created. As you can see, you can easily add the pre-approved title of your event and details your invitees will want to be aware of. These are things like the date, the time, the location, who they might be able to contact for any questions or additional information, and other important info like an event description and attachments that may be relevant to the program. You'll even be able to add specialties for better discoverability and include a registration link if that is a requirement in order for your invitees to attend the event. Once you've covered all the required details, you can then start building out supplemental information like event speakers so that your invitees know who will be speaking at the event. You can also build out and customize your guest list. You can use an attachment like an Excel spreadsheet or CSV file and upload your guests that way. Or you can search across the RxVantage network by name, NPI, zip code, or specialty. As you build out your guest list, you'll have the option to delete invitees or add new ones before submitting your event for review. After you've completed that step, you'll move over to the advanced settings, which is where you'll be able to customize the date and time your event will go on the platform, which is also when invitations will go out. You'll also have the ability to adjust your privacy settings. You might want your event to be visible to all RxVantage Office users or only those that you directly invite. And lastly, you can work through how you want to be notified of RSVP responses and if your guests can see who else has been invited and then how those invitees have RSVP'd to that particular event. Once you've completed all the required and optional fields, you can submit the event request to RxVantage to review. From the event request dashboard, you'll be able to make any modifications to your events, view the statuses of your events, and see how many people have been invited and how many have RSVP'd as attending. Once you've submitted an event for review, our events team will look over your submission to be sure it's ready to go. They will reach out to you for any additional information that may be required. Before we take a look at what your event will look like on the RxVantage platform, I'd like to point your attention to the top right-hand corner. From here, you can go to your profile page and make any necessary changes, and you can even update your notification settings. Now let's review how your event will appear to providers and office users on the RxVantage platform. As you can see, all the information that you provided about your event is neatly organized into various tabs. The Event Details tab shows all the details that you provided when you built out the event from within your profile. When creating the event, if you use the same email address for the point of contact field that you used to create your RxVantage account, then your invitees will be able to click the message button to send you a message directly from within the platform. If you'd prefer, you can attach any rep from your organization that uses RxVantage to a particular event to utilize the same messaging capability. If an invitee reaches out to you or the rep on the RxVantage platform that you've attached to the event, messages can be responded to directly from within the messages section on the RxVantage platform. At any time, an invitee can take action by saying that they will not attend, or they can also set a reminder to take action at a later time. The Attendees tab can be visible or it can be hidden, and it's totally up to you as the event creator. It's also up to you if you'd like to show if attendees will have visibility into how other invitees have responded. Remember, all of these details are customizable as you create the event from within your RxVantage account. If your event has a physical location, there will be an interactive Google map shown on a separate tab so that invitees can click this button to get directions. From the My Schedule tab, invitees have visibility into how the event aligns with other in-office or virtual rep appointments on the RxVantage calendar, or other events that they have RSVP'd as attending to on the same date of this event. If the invitee chooses to say that they are going to attend and registration is required, they will be prompted to follow the link to complete that registration process. Attendees will also receive reminders about upcoming events that they have RSVP'd as attending. Now let's review a few frequently asked questions. And remember, if you have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to our customer support team at any time. They can be contacted by emailing support@rxvantage.com.